Hey, welcome back. I'm Henry from Ace Custom Cars with the Camaro build, 73 Camaro build. We just got our motor back from MCRP. I want to give a special thanks out to Mike and all the guys up at MCRP. They did a killer job. Dyno was really cool. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but it was really cool. It was a lot of fun. First dyno I've ever been to. So it was pretty thrilling. We just got a shipment in from Summit Racing. My headers are in. We bought some Doug headers. We got a bunch of doodads and stuff like that. Oil, temp sensors, oil sensors, carburetor brackets and stuff like that. So I'm Henry from Ace Custom Cars. We're gonna do an epic giveaway here for our 100 subscribers. We're gonna give away a combo set of hood, hat, t-shirt, and hoodie. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. One lucky winner will get all of this sent out to them. Thanks for your support. Help me hit that 100 or more. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. So we're gonna do some unboxing here and see what we got. Yeah, so here we go. Summit Racing was able to get me this out pretty quick. Get a sticker, makes your car go faster. We're using all AARP bolts from the flex plate all the way up to valve covers. Got this aluminum rod, push rod for the fuel pump. With the bronze tip on it. Mike told me to get it. He says it's really good. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. I guess it goes good with the cam. And then we're going to set the motor into the chassis, to the Roadster Shop chassis, and mock up the headers because I got 90 days before I can return them if they're not going to work. We will have to modify the headers a little bit because we're going to try and do V-band. I want to do V-band exhaust. I'm tired of the old school clamps and the gasket popping out and all that other crap. So we're going to try that. We got to cut the flange off of the headers, but you know, you don't want to butcher a set of headers that you don't know if they fit or not. So I want to make sure that they're going to fit into the chassis comfortably and everything's going to clear. If all that's good, then we'll pull the headers back off, we'll whack off the back end, and we'll weld on our V-bands. And these are our V-bands here. Picked up a set of V-bands. All 403 stainless. So, nice set of V-bands. They're quick disconnect, which is great. I think they all should have the quick disconnect. Not all of them do. Watch when you buy them. A lot of them, these parts fall apart, especially if you get those ones on Amazon, made in China. Although everything's probably made in China. And then these are our pieces that go on the exhaust. They also have a little chamfer inside, so they'll sit into here, so when you weld them and you TIG them up, they come out nice. They also have a locking ring around, so there's no play in it. You know, it goes in, it locks, you know you're set. A lot of them don't have it, and then they move around. But these have the locking set, which are really nice. V-bands are cool because my car sits pretty low, and I always had a big problem with the exhaust dragging. So I'm hoping this will tuck them up a little bit more and give me a little bit more clearance for those times where you have to go over a speed bump or some stupid thing like that. So stay tuned. We'll be doing some more videos on this motor installation and and all the parts. Let me pull the headers out so you guys can check out the headers. Another one, Mike at MCRP recommended I get some Doug's headers. The Doug's headers are 1 5/8. Really nice set of headers. Oh, we also got our carburetor, our carb throttle for our throttle cable. So we got that in. So that's all ready. Still waiting on a few more parts, but I figured you guys want to check out some nice headers. You got the old school collectors. Not a big fan of them. I really am not a big fan of them. Never been. So we're gonna step it up. We're gonna step it up, and you know, I was trying to get Doug's headers to make me a set of headers with V-bands, but they don't make them for the '73 Camaro. So I guess I got to do my own. I was also looking for the drag header so I didn't have to cut off the back end, but they don't make them as well. In stainless, it's 403 stainless. So that's what we're going for. Okay. It's the first time we pull them out of the box, so everybody got them in there. That's a nice set of headers. Oh, those are a nice set of headers. There's the badging. Doug's headers. That's a nice set of headers, man. A little close here. So they look good. They look really good. Nice machined. The ports are all nice and smoothed out. Yeah, they're really nice and smoothed out. I like it. I like it a lot. You know. They look good. They look really good. I like that new machine look. So let's check out the other one. They do come with their gaskets. Packaged pretty good too. They really are. Oh, look at that. They even got a production date on them, I think. 7/24. Oh, so I'm sorry. These are 304. These are 308. These are 308 stainless steel, so. But like I said, you know, they're all. Let's go on this side. I don't know if you can see inside, but they're all nice and ported, nice and smoothed out. So you should get nice flow. Cool. So I'm gonna test fit all of this, get it into the transmission, get the transmission on, because I'm still waiting for we're still waiting for our torque converter. We're waiting for the torque converter from the dyno test. We sent out the paperwork to the torque converter so we can get a converter built, and just wait for that to come back. Once that comes back, then we'll drop this bad boy in, and it'll be in for good. So can't wait to see this Roadster Shop chassis with this motor in it. It's gonna look real good. It produced the horsepower that we wanted, enough for the street. Naturally aspirated, to naturally aspirated monster. And that's what we were trying to build. Thanks to Mike and the guys up at MCRP. So cool. Get to work and bring you guys back. This is Henry. Peace out. Like, subscribe. If you got any comments, man, send me some comments. I'd like to hear from you guys. See what you think. Talk to these guys later, man. Peace out.